Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Kinetic Sand Surprise is probably one of the most fascinating and engaging sensory toys available today, offering a unique tactile experience that captivates both children and adults alike with its magical properties of flow and form. This innovative play material allows for endless creative possibilities, from building intricate structures to simply enjoying the mesmerizing sensation of it moving through your fingers, making it a standout choice for anyone seeking a fun and therapeutic activity that sparks imagination and provides hours of entertainment without the mess often associated with traditional sand. Number 5. Kinetic Sand Sense Ice Cream Treats Playset. Get ready for a delightful sensory experience. This playset lets you create amazing ice cream treats with wonderfully scented play sand. Indulge in the delicious aromas of strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla as you mold and shape your creations. It's a treat for the senses. Mix, mold, and stack your way to the perfect ice cream sundae, waffle, or cookie sandwich. The possibilities are as endless as your imagination. This set comes with all the tools you need to craft your masterpieces, from scoops and cups to molds and fun topping accessories. It's more than just play, it's a fantastic way to develop creative and sensory skills. Let your little ones explore and build anything they can dream up. Experience the unique magic of this special sand. It never dries out, sticks together for easy cleanup, and is always ready for your next creative adventure. What we like. This set offers a delightful sensory experience with its scented play sand in 3 delicious flavors. If you're looking for a way to spark imaginative culinary play and create fun ice cream treats, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for kids who love playing kitchen and enjoy hands-on creative activities. What people say. The scented sand adds a fun, sensory element to the play. The 3 colors, each with its own delightful scent, really enhance the experience. The vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate scents are sweet but not overpowering, and they last throughout the play session, adding a new layer of fun to the kinetic sand. This playset encourages creativity and imaginative play. My daughter loved shaping the sand into different ice cream cones, mixing the colors, and using the included tools to add fun details like sprinkles and toppings. It's also great for developing fine motor skills, as she used the scoops and molds to shape and press the sand into different forms. Kinetic sand is always a win for cleanup. It sticks together and doesn't scatter everywhere like traditional sand or Play-Doh. While it may leave a slight residue on the hands, it's easy to clean off, and the sand doesn't get stuck to furniture or carpets. Number 4. Marble Genius Marble Run Superset. Get ready for exciting adventures with this dynamic ball run set. It's perfect for sparking creativity and imaginative play for kids ages 4 to 8. Bring the whole family together for endless fun and challenges. This building toy fosters teamwork and problem-solving for memorable moments. Looking for the perfect educational gift? This set is fantastic for boosting creativity and providing hours of constructive entertainment. Encourage young minds with toys that seamlessly blend learning and play. It supports educational growth while keeping the fun alive. Take your building to the next level with our app. Get step-by-step guidance and new challenges for an exciting educational game. What we like. This is an exciting marble run set designed to engage the whole family in collaborative building and problem-solving. If you are looking for a STEM toy that offers endless challenges and can be enhanced with an interactive app, this set is a fantastic option. It's perfect for family holiday activities and fostering creativity in young minds. What people say. This super set comes with 150 complete pieces, including 85 translucent marbulous pieces and a set of 65 glass marbles. The set is incredibly easy to assemble, and the instructions are straightforward and easy to follow. The durability of the pieces. I have 2 young children who can be rough on toys, but the Marble Genius Marble Run held up to their wear and tear without any issues. Number 3. Kinetic Sand Splash Starter Case. Get ready for a magical play experience with Kinetic Sand Splash. This unique sand changes color right before your eyes. Watch as the white sand transforms into a vibrant blue when you add ice-cold water. It even changes back in warm water, offering exciting reveals. With 6 ounces of colorful sand, 3 tools, and molds, you can stretch, shape, and create amazing things. It holds its form perfectly, both in and out of water. Crafted from natural sand, just like the original, this play sand never dries out. It's designed for endless hours of creative fun. After playtime, simply dry the case and tools. Store the sand in the reusable case, ensuring it's ready for your next adventure. Looking for a unique gift? This is a fantastic choice for holidays, birthdays, or any occasion. It's a wonderful way to spark creativity in kids aged 3 and up. What we like? Experience a magical transformation with Play Sand that changes color when it meets water. If you enjoy surprise reveals and want a unique sensory experience that can be enjoyed both in and out of water, this is the set for you. It's perfect for kids who love experimenting and discovering new ways to play with sand. What people say? It changes color just by touch. My pre-K students absolutely loved this sand. They thought it was the coolest. Convenient to carry and travel with less mess of real sand and don't dry out like Play-Doh. Number 2. Kinetic Sand Shimmering Sand 3-Pack. Discover the magic of Kinetic Sand Shimmering Sand. It's the perfect way to spark creativity and build amazing creations. This 3-pack comes with everything you need for hours of shimmering fun. Get ready to create dazzling masterpieces. Included are sandcastle molds to help you build incredible structures. Let your imagination run wild with these fun accessories. Enjoy the satisfying feel of kinetic sand without the mess. It sticks to itself and not to you, making cleanup a breeze. Its unique formula flows through your fingers like magic, providing a calming and engaging sensory experience for all ages. Looking for the perfect gift? This shimmering sand set is sure to delight any child and provide endless entertainment. What we like? Add a touch of sparkle to your playtime with this shimmering sand set. If you love creating dazzling sandcastles and enjoy the tactile sensation of sand with a bit of glitter, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who want to add some extra magic to their sand creations. What people say? Kinetic sand works like a charm with my kindergarten students. They love the way it feels on their hands, how they can build a bit high and pack the sand up to some degree. The mold these come with work great in building sand castles, which is fun to do indoors and all year long. Great sand and activity for little kids. Our girl really enjoyed playing with kinetic sand and it's easy to clean up afterwards. Hours of amendment. Well worth the investment. This 3-pack of shimmer is gorgeous. The only downside is that it's very hard to get out of the container for some reason. I had to dig all of the sand out of the container, not like the regular kinetic sand castles that are easy to use. Also, the cost of it being more shimmery than the kinetic sand that comes in the 2-pound bag is the glitter pieces are larger and actually fall off on your hand and it's very noticeable, which is why I don't open these much. For people and parents that want to keep things mess-free or free of glitter left behind, this may not be for you. Otherwise, it's great consistency like normal. Actually maybe even more soft than some of the plain colored sands. Just wish the glitter stayed with the sand like the original crystal pink and twinkly teal, etc. Also these shades are a little more on the pastel side. The difficulty to remove from the container and the glitter fall off is what is bringing it down to 3 stars. Number 1. Sleepah Play Sand Sensory Sand Set. Ignite your child's imagination with 5 vibrant colors of non-toxic play sand. They can mix, mold, and create endless shapes, bringing sensory play to life. Enjoy hours of creative fun without the mess. This innovative sand stays contained, making cleanup a breeze for parents. Designed with your child's safety in mind, it's free from harmful chemicals and has no odor. It's a worry-free choice for playtime. This sand set is perfect for soothing and engaging young minds, especially those with sensory needs. It encourages hands-on creativity and develops fine motor skills. Looking for a great gift? This set is loved by children and makes an ideal present for birthdays or holidays. It's so much fun, you'll want to get more. What we like? This set brings sensory play to life with 5 bright, non-toxic colors and a mess-free formula. If you are looking for a calming and creatively stimulating activity that is easy to clean up, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for children with sensory needs or any child who enjoys tactile art projects. What people say? It's great quality and a great price. My 2-year-old loves it. He put a bunch in water and we were able to set it out to dry. It was good as new once it had dried. My son plays with this set often and we've officially done away with Play-Doh. It keeps him busy for hours and he has so much fun. I love the bucket, the colors of sand, the quality of the sand. I feel that this was a great package, especially for gift giving. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.